In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API token in Hostinger. If you need to connect Hostinger with another tool or service, generating an API token is usually one of the first things you'll need to do. This token acts like a secure access key that allows approved systems to communicate with your Hostinger account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to create the token correctly. To begin, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen where your account options are usually located. This is where you'll be able to access the profile settings tied to your account. Next, click on your profile. Opening the profile section will take you to the account-related options, and from there, you'll be able to find tools that are connected to account access and management. If you don't immediately see the setting, just scan the available menu items carefully. After that, click on API. This section is specifically where Hostinger lets you manage API access. If you're creating a token for the first time, this page may look simple, but it contains the option you need in order to generate a new token. Now click on the option to generate an API token. At this point, Hostinger will ask you to enter a token name. This name is mainly for your own reference, so choose something clear and recognizable. For example, you might use a name based on the app, project, or connection where the token will be used. Giving it a specific name makes it much easier to identify later, especially if you create more than one token over time. Once you've entered the token name, click Generate. Hostinger will then create a unique code for that token. This code is the actual API token you'll use when connecting your account to another platform or application. As soon as the token appears, copy it right away. This is important because in many cases, the full token may only be shown once for security reasons. It's a good idea to store it somewhere safe and private so you can access it later when needed. Be careful not to share it publicly, since anyone with that token could potentially use the connected access it provides. And that's it. That's how to generate an API token in Hostinger quickly and correctly.